So here we are, welcome back to another video. It's been a little while since the last video. I've been pretty lame with editing videos. So yeah, anyway, in this video it's probably the best wall that I've been involved with this year. Bit of a random one, but basically Fussy, he hooked me up with Relic and Ammo. So I met up with them at my local wall in Tunbridge Wells, and then they said another guy's turning up to paint with us. And crazily, it was one of my good friends that I've painted with for quite a few years. So yeah, Scammer turned up. So there was four of us on the wall, and yeah, Scammer pulled off the background. I won't go into any more details. You can watch the video and see what happens. I hope you enjoy.
For black boys who I imagine could cry, not knowing they fathers, they brothers who all lost from their lives, from government lies that rise, destroy the black family ties. Nah, yo, their eyes is locked on the sets and confusion replies. The dress unintentionally worn for a check, gotta laugh, plenty revenue form. Do it again, though only the black ones get the roles. This by design and construct. Shall I show you some more? I tell my brothers be warned. This soft porn in the comedy form, but when we laugh and crying inside, cause it's not who we are. We stand firm for our women and the ones that we've sown. We hold the throne. Why would you watch it? It gets shared and it's known. It's blasphemous, it's pervasive at its worst. Don't you poison these children enough? See what we building is much contradiction to their lives, but we ain't kill them enough. It's time to raise them up. They getting played enough.
So it seems Malcolm X, Martin Luther King, yeah, they had a dream. So it seems Malcolm X, Martin Luther King, yeah, they had a dream. And so it seems Malcolm X, Martin Luther King, yeah, they had a dream. And so it seems Malcolm X, Martin Luther King, yeah, they had a dream.
Feminization is doctrine insemination. Done with proper manipulation. In this nation, we control how you process your information. You're influenced by role models you imitating, so we take them. What we do? Give them offers they can't refuse. Foster the way they moved and report it in the news. If you like the way LeBron play, you probably get his shoes. Power of persuasion in the choices that you choose. The suggestions on the screen. Send the wrong message to the teens. What if King James dressed up like a queen? Joking just to get views. Pocketbook fake booze. What's he saying to the kid with the poster up in the room? Could be mental breaking, taking natural configurations and putting them in different places. Man is emasculating to the guidelines, the manhood that good men put up. So slap in the face to our members club.
So it seems Malcolm X, Martin Luther King, yeah, they had a dream. So it seems Malcolm X, Martin Luther King, yeah, they had a dream. And so it seems Malcolm X, Martin Luther King, yeah, they had a dream. And so it seems Malcolm X, Martin Luther King, yeah, they had a dream. So it seems, liquor stores and crack fiends, South Jamaica, Queens. I drive feminization and everybody swerving. It's malpractice with the flow, guess I struck a nerve. This industry, you sell your souls, but they can't afford you. To you to go and break a leg and then they pull Georgia. Mischievous thoughts and deep bit of cross. Religion going mainstream like Jesus pushing that Porsche. Brooklyn coast, Spanish Harlem greet me saying that's pappy. I pin the version that be doper than the crack rally. Get rid of me, nope, Bolivia dope. I make them problems disappear, that boy Olivia Pope. Bunch of film directors casting for a black face. Cause nowadays see content, the new black face. Like what you gotta say and do, you need to stop and live. Instead of watching Love and Hip Hop, sure they need to watch your kids. With no credentials, the did it simple, just like a rental. Coincidental, go mental on any instrumental. That mean retarded, it's time to get it started. Rest in peace to all the fam and Eric Garner, he departed. Flip it like acrobatics, for static, it's automatic. They from a different cloth and see ignorance be the fabric. Nurses, whole people deepest tragic hearses. All automatic verses, I should kill like I used to ball for the Magic. Paramedics pumping the chest, who in the lobby line? If everybody murdering verses, why ain't nobody dying? See the flow that boys dispersing, and I ain't even trying. Numbers lie like people do too, I see the labels blind. I'm still at it, y'all should part in my ways. I'm so illmatic like I got a part in my ways. I mean, rappers all actors, I laugh, they need an Oscar. Everybody sounding like trash, their name is Oscar. A grimy pace, rewind these tapes. Snow Biggie opposite of 90s Mace. So if you hate it or love it, you can't deny the lesson. I'm giving birth to conversation in a C-section. So it seems Malcolm X, Martin Luther King, yeah, they had a dream. So it seems Malcolm X, Martin Luther King, yeah, they had a dream. And so it seems Malcolm X, Martin Luther King, yeah, they had a dream. And so it seems Malcolm X, Martin Luther King, yeah, they had a dream.
So that is it. I think you've got to admit that that is probably the best wall that I've been involved with this year. Scammer absolutely smashed it with the background. Absolutely flew through it. Didn't take him long at all, and he killed it with his piece. Ammo, he killed it as well, and same with Relic. My piece was, yeah, so-so. A little bit rough around the edges, but anyway, it was good fun to link up with them. Good fun to paint with them. Had loads of different graph stories to talk about, and from different cultures and all that kind of stuff. So anyway, thanks for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed, then please subscribe. Like this video, drop a comment, tell me what you think about this wall, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.